Hey guys, today we're gonna make slime. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. Wait. Sorry for guys. Totally is trying to sleep in my room, so don't mind. Just 1 second. 1, 2, 3.
This is better.
Now the light's very bad. See, now so now you just want to put in some Chinese paint and glue. Just mix it together now. We have bad lighting, obviously. Oh my gosh. Can you put down your skirt? You're going to be on video.
Okay. Let me erase. Okay.
It's all right.
CP assembly.
Really? Okay, it's slime video. Slime video.
What's this?
What?
Dude.
Okay, sleep. Okay, so we just want to mix it until it's completely black. And if you don't have Chinese paint, the Chinese paint looks like this. I'm using, but you can use acrylic or watercolor, any kind of paint. You can even change the color, but I just want to put black. You can do watercolor or whatever. And please shut up. So yeah. It's beautiful. Now, here's the glue that I'm using. Just a big bottle of glue. Now, this is a slime video, so what should I do? Because I didn't plan ahead. Oh. Dude, what kind of video should I do?
Slime video.
Okay. So now you will need a white book cleaner. Yeah. Or any kind of cleaner, but that...
I want Papa slime.
Later.
Okay.
So I'm using white book cleaner. You can use any kind of cleaner. You can use soap. At least liquid soap. You maybe kind of. No, maybe you could just you don't need you could use detergent, but meh, using a white book cleaner. And how many sprays? 3. 1, 2, 3. Well, you don't need to be precise. You can do any kind of thing you want to, but I'm just going ahead. It's more if you don't think it's watery enough. You make the thing watery, but at least the glue, like this, must be kind of slimy, you know. Okay. So my show is starting in TV. Okay, like that. Slimy. Now, I am going to take something. So, peace. Done. I just got my aluminum. It's it's in a bottle. It's clear aluminum. The weak aluminum.
Did you guys see? Did you guys see us? I see a slide. Ooh, way back slide looks good.
Totally.
Out, we don't.
Sorry.
Well, it's okay.
No mix the aluminum.
It's okay, bro.
And wait. It'll be slim eventually.
Wait,
So,
wait.
goodbye.